Okay, now we're going to look at the examples on the bottom of our paper. Example 1, Holly ordered a desk. She gave a deposit of 30% of the cost. I know my percent always goes with the percent sign. That's the easy one. If the deposit was $20, what was the total price of the desk Holly ordered? Think about your keywords, and you're searching for the total, so think of where total would go. Pause the video right now to set up this proportion, and then when you're done, check your answer. Okay, so we put our deposit on top because it's part of the price, and the total, or the whole, is what we're searching for on the bottom. That's why we left this blank. Let's look at example 2. Laura weighs 180 pounds and she hopes to lose 6 pounds in the next month. What percent of her body weight is Laura hoping to lose? Well, we know they didn't give us a percent, so we already know we're going to be searching for that. You remember yesterday I gave you a little tip that when you have two numbers and you're doing part over whole, the part has to be smaller than the whole amount. So that should give me a hint of where these numbers go. But if she wants to lose 6 pounds, that's only part of what she weighs. So 6 pounds goes up here. Her total weight right now is 180. So we are trying to figure out what percent of her body weight she's trying to lose. Okay, let's look at example number 3. I want you to pause the video right now and try to set up example number 3 on your own. Okay, example number 3. Miss Vega took a survey of her classes on what subject they liked the most. 12 of her students voted math as their favorite subject. This number represents 60% of the total number of students she surveyed. What was the total number? That should have given you the hint. So you automatically knew 60% goes on top. You're searching for the total, and you know the word total goes with the whole. And 12 is the part. That's the part of her class that voted for math. Hopefully you got that correct. Let's look at example 4. The sales tax in Texas is 8%, meaning 8% of your total price is what you're going to pay just in taxes. Brenda paid $10 in sales tax on an item. What was the total price of the item? Well, we know if they're looking for the total price, we know where that goes. Stop it right now and set it up. Okay, check your video now. You should have 8% here, $10 in sales tax, and they wanted you to find the total amount or the total price of the item. Try example 5 on your own now. Okay, check your answer with mine up here. How you set up your proportion, you should have 20 over 60 equals percent over 100. If you're wondering where I got the 60 from and why I didn't put 40, it's because that's how many girls there are in the class. But it asked about how many students were boys. So in order to find out the total number of students, we have to add boys and girls together. So we put our 20 boys on top, but then we had to calculate 20 plus 40, and I got 60 for the total number of students. Okay? Do the same thing. Try number 6 on your own. Okay, check your answers for number 6. The percent was easy to find, but they want us to find the discount of the shirt. Another tip, we've seen this word before. If they give you a discount, like we saw all the way up here with finding the whole, they give you the word discount, it's the part. It's the part they're taking off the total price. So you were looking for the part, and they told you it regularly costs $45. The word regular or regular price means the whole. So you set it up like that. Okay? Flip your paper on the back. You are going to solve these 10 problems. I am going to help you with a couple on the next set of videos, but these 10 problems, you're going to try and set up your proportion on your own, but you don't have to solve them. You're not getting any answers today. And when you finish, you need to check your answers on the wall that I have told you I posted the answer key. If you score a 70% or higher, you may move on to the deck toys.